Are you just tired of chatting on Instagram and WhatsApp? Then Google Docs is the best platform. Sounds interesting? All you have to do is open the Google Docs, choose the person you want to chat with, add their email ID. When both the people open the Google Docs, they can chat there. How cool, right? Today's video is all about similar interesting tips and tricks that you can try on your Android smartphone. Let's go. Most of us, after taking photos, we usually upload it on Drive, right? For that, we have to open Google Drive, then click add and lots of hustle. There is a much easier way to do it. Hold press the Drive application on your smartphone, then you can find a widget called Scan. Add that widget to your home screen, then using that widget, you can click pictures and save it. Usually when you save it, your photo will be automatically uploaded to your specific Google Drive. With that being said, if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe and check out the other videos that we made. Our next trick is really interesting. What you have to do is go to Google Play Store and search for MacroDroid. You can see an app, you should download it and install it. Once you're done installing it, you have to open the app, then search for battery. Then you will find a macro called battery 40%. Select that and enable it. Then you can easily customize to a specific temperature. Once you're done with it, just save it. What it does is, when your smartphone reaches a certain temperature, it will give you a notification. For instance, if you're gaming and your phone got overheated, you'll receive a notification saying that your phone got overheated. This simple app can help to increase your smartphone health to a next level. There is a cool trick for Samsung users. You all know that when you double tap the power button of your smartphone, the camera will open, right? Go to settings and search for double tap. You will find an option, click on that. In this, you can add whichever app you want to customize and open when you double tap the power button. You can even set specific tasks like flash or open call logs or recent calls or whatever you want. This is an interesting tip. Try it on your Samsung smartphone. So that's it for today. These are few interesting tips and tricks that you can try on your Android smartphone. If you love this video, please do subscribe and let me know what you think. See you next time.